Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to resize desktop icons in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my desktop icons as you can see here right now. So how you can resize this all desktop icons? So you might be thinking just by right clicking, and you can see here view, you can just select the options like medium size and large size, right? But only you have three options here, right? So there's other way to resize depending upon your needs. So what you need to do, on your computer keyboard just press and hold Ctrl, and now on your computer mouse you can just slide up or slide down the mouse wheel. So when I slide up, so you can see it started to increase, and when I slide down the mouse wheel, it will started to decrease. So you can just decrease it to the smallest size as much as it support, and you can enlarge by pushing upward directions the mouse wheel. So you can see here you can get the maximum size to this much. So using this cool tricks, you can just adjust or resize the desktop icons in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known how to resize desktop icons in any Windows computer, then definitely you should try this cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.